Hey, welcome back to the Navratri vlog. This Navratri, I'm gonna do something special, something that I usually won't do. I'm gonna attend Garba classes. Now, before you say something, I have two very solid reasons why I'm going Garba classes. First, very big reason is when Garba happens this 27th, I don't want to be the odd one out. I don't want to just stand there and see कि भाई लोग circle में नाच रहे हैं और मैं से नाचते ही नहीं बन रहा है. That is not me. Other strong reason is Garba is so cool, yaar. Have you seen all those beautiful people doing Garba? It's so fun. Like Messi भी अच्छे से बनेगा, तो it would be really cool. And of course, the practice happening in EMS, above EMS aerobics room पे. कितना aesthetic है भाई EMS. So nice. So people have started gathering in the aerobics room. That's where most of the dance practice happens. So one of my seniors, she said, do left, right, left, then do a 180-degree anti-clockwise turn, then left, right, then come back, do another 180-degree clockwise turn. What is this? This is like basic calculus, or this is what? A big shout out to the IC Gujarati Parivar for making this happen. I know a lot of work goes in to organize such a grand event. Alright, so today is the day. Today is Garba night and it's going to be really fun. This is the KV ground, of course, you know this. That's my hostel. This is a guest house जो अभी तक चालू नहीं हुआ है. But you can see the decor has started. और भाई माहौल देख रहे हो कितना प्यारा मौसम हो रखा है. हवा चल रही है प्रॉपर. ये रात में लाइटिंग चालू जाएगी तो और मस्त लगेगा. So this is gonna be the ground. It's a beautiful place. Also, as you can see, the stage is setting up. And it's gonna look very beautiful. रात में पूरे यहाँ पे लाइट वेट चालू जाएगी ना तो बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. यहाँ पे पूजा हो रही होगी एंड इसके आसपास सराउंडिंग में सब नाच रहे होंगे, सब गरबा कर रहे होंगे. It's gonna look so good. Garba would be one of the few times जब मैं लैब से जल्दी आ जाऊँगा because I'm so excited and I want to record something and I want to get dressed nice. I want to get dressed nicely and everything. So Garba split था भाई कैंपस में. You can see like थोड़ा सा गीला हो गया यहाँ. There will be some students coming up and they'll be pouring down some dried sand ताकि वो potholes cover हो जाए. That's the spirit. भैया हमें से कहेंगे गुजराती में वेलकम टू गरबा, और गरबा खेलने को कैसे बोलते हैं?
नमस्ते सोनू, स्वागत छे.
सोनू स्वागत छे.
बधा
सहपरिवार
गरबा रमवा
पधारजो. आजो नहीं, आने को क्या बोलते हैं? आओजो. Alright, so I'll be back at 7:30. 7:30 starts. 7:30 में कोई नहीं आएगा. Ground will be completely empty. We'll probably reach around 9:30 somewhere. I hope by then ये वाली चीज़ें सूख जाएंगी. But it's Bangalore. Then if it rains or it's still this damned, we're gonna have fun. Alright, so I took a quick nap because I want to be excited. And it's 7:30 already. I have to start getting ready for the Garba night. This is what I'm planning. White kurta with jeans, which is new but it's very trendy. And this dupatta would look really nice. Outfit change in 1, 2, 3. And boom. This is what I'm gonna wear. This is a thrifted chunni. I bought it just for 130 rupees. So cool. Some jewels. This because it's gonna look good when I'll be dancing. It'll look cool. But yeah, let's go. How can I forget? None of this would be complete without a chashma. So yeah. बाहर रात हो गई होगी, but the outfit won't be complete without a chashma. So I guess the आरती will start around 9. Everybody is going. कुछ लोग ड्रेसेस में, कुछ लोग नॉर्मल ड्रेसेस में भी हैं. टाइम नहीं मिला होगा. हम तो ड्रेस्ड अप हैं और हम तो अच्छे से जाते हैं because I like to live fully. This kind of ground, this kind of music, this kind of people. If you go in Bangalore around this time, you will have to pay at least like 2-3,000 rupees, and then the crowd would be so much. And इतना ज़्यादा बुरे गाने बजा रहे हो ना लोग. मतलब literally they'll be playing EDM, they'll be playing beats, they'll be playing DJ songs. You cannot do Garba on DJ songs, right? You have to have like Gujarati, proper Gujarati songs for Garba. And we have here proper Gujarati Garba. There are people dancing over there, and there are people who are just sitting and watching. Either they are like too nice to watch people dance, or they are too judgy. भाई judge मत करो, हमें बैठने यहाँ ऊपर. Alright, so it's a ritual for IICians to come to Sarvam after any good event. So जैसे गरबा हुआ है तो you can see people are in Sarvam because सबने dinner छोड़ दिया होगा. Just they wanted to hang out and drink something, like I'm drinking milk. And that's how I'll be ending my night, with some warm milk and a lot of memories. Happy Navratri to everyone. I'll see you in another one. Bye.